This is the real struggle that we women go through. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, and today I'm going to show you how to nini your hair, your natural hair. You see how my hair looks like. First of all, I'm going to blow dry it so that you guys see where my hair exactly is. But again, you guys, I don't know if you really go through the trouble I go through when I'm combing my hair. It's really the hardest moment in my life. Let me grab my dryer so that I can blow dry my hair. Yeah, I washed it yesterday, so I'm not going to wash it today. This is natural hair. Natural hair is not washed every day. Yeah, to those who have natural hair and you watch it every day, I do not wash my hair every day. Once a week. I want to be honest with you, cause cannot do it. Yeah, I'll fix it. I'll be using the Moroccan oil. I'll be using this water to spray so that I make my hair so soft. And again, this comb and my dryer. So I'll be starting with water because I really need to make it soft. Then I think I see what to do. Yeah. So guys, pray for me so that I do not cry from here. Yeah, Maui. I wambe. Banange, you guys, I really don't know why God had to give me this kawiki. Ouch. So yeah, I put some water and it has really helped it to be soft. Guys, I'm sorry I'm not going to cry, but it's really hurting. You know, it's hurting, but I don't want you to say that, oh man, I need change. You know, I'm putting some oil. Actually, I was advised by a friend, a fellow YouTuber. She's called Tifa, Queen Tifa. She advised me to use aloe vera and oil, and she actually showed me how to use it and how to make it. Banang, if you're not following that chick, you're missing out. Let's get into our blow drying. Guys, do not laugh if I cry. Please find a place in your heart and feel sorry for me. 1, 2, 3, stop. Guys, it's really hard to blow dry yourself. It needs stars like me. Oh my goodness, why did it hurt me like this? Guys, it's kind of hard, but keep practicing, you will get it with time. Yeah, so at least I can now do like this. But I still have some pain. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's really hard, but with time, like I said, with time you can make it so. At least now I can use my hands to do what? And by the way, guys, this is the easiest. I don't know why my tongue has to say is. I don't know why, but this is one of the easiest way to blow dry your hair. You know, to use a hot comb. It's really hard for most people. They do not know how to use a dryer to hot comb their hair, or to use it like to dry their hair, to straighten their hair. It's really hard for them, but do it in section. You see, like I did, you first get this part, then do that part. If you finish, you get a rubber band, tie it, then get another part. You know, you do not have to do the same area at once, because it's really hard for most of us. Like, it's really hard for me. That's why I'm using this nanny. Yeah, so I'll get that second, can I call it a portion? A portion, a section, how should I call it? So yeah, I'll first get my oil. Put it on my hair. I'm actually using Moroccan. So you make it a little bit wet so that it is easier for you to comb. Like, it's gonna be easier for me. Like, it's gonna be easier. So yeah, let's do it. Yeah, so guys, on this I'm going to be slowly. If you want to blow dry your hair, first of all you need to make it wet. You need to make it wet. Then after making it wet, you need to put some oil. After this, you need to yeah. So after creating the fact that it will be so hard for you to use a machine when it's not combed, you first comb slowly but sure. So you first start with these tips, the heads of the hair. Like, you first comb them until they are soft. You go deeper and again deeper and again deeper, yeah. If you find yourself that the comb can easily pass so fast, if you find it that the comb can easily pass fast, yeah, now it's a way to go. So I'm done with my parts. You can actually add some little water, more little water to make it more soft for you, to make the work so easier for the machine and you yourself. So when you're hot combing, first deal with the first tips. Do not start from here. Start with the heads. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, eyes, ears, nose, and more. I'll be putting this so that the heat is not too much. You need this. It is made in Italy. It is really so good but expensive. Yeah, at least I can stop there. Allow me. I know it is not perfectly done, but I've tried. Therefore, allow me to end here. And guys, if you cannot do what I've done, kindly share my video. I think you've seen what I've gone through. Share my video, please. Kindly share this video. Otherwise you will be forced to do this. So yeah, I'm finally done. How do I look, guys? The puff is on the guys. I'm not repeating this. You know the struggle I've been through. I know it's on the low side, but yeah, I end my video here. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. I love you all. God loves you more. Bye.